Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this cute koala charm using polymer clay. So let's get started. So I began taking a light grey colour to use as the body of my koala, and I rolled a piece into a ball for the head. To make the body, take a slightly smaller amount of clay and roll it into a kind of teardrop shape with a flat bottom. Trim off some of the thinner end with your blade and then join this to the head. You can also blend them together using one of your tools for extra security. I then made the ears by taking some more of my base colour and adding 3 indents with my needle tool. I made 2 of these before adding on some vanilla coloured clay and then positioning them onto the head. Moving on to the face, I made 2 indents where I wanted the eyes to go. I then took 2 sections of black clay, rolled them into little balls, and then added these inside the indents. To make the cheeks, use some light pink clay rolled into small balls, and then finally for the nose, take some slightly darker grey clay, shape it into a triangle, and then add this to the face as well. Next, for the arms, you want to use some more of your base colour and roll 2 pieces into teardrop shapes. Then simply add these onto the body in any position you like. I decided to add mine positioning upwards onto the face. I then did the same thing for the legs, except I also trimmed off some of the inside part, and this just helps them to sit nicely against the body. Using 2 flat circles of the pink clay again, I then added these to the bottom of the feet as the little foot pads. And then finally for the tail at the back of the charm, I took some darker grey clay and textured it with my dotting tool to make it fluffy looking. Now go ahead and add an eye pin if you want to make it into a charm, and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I removed the eye pin and secured it back in with some super glue, before then adding a coat of glaze for some shine and protection, and like always I'm using UV resin. And then that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!